Hello guys, I welcome you all in this session. So my question is, do you want to speak fluent English? If your answer is yes, then you are on right video. Because what happens generally with us, we fall short of word when we are speaking. So if you want to be fluent, just try to make your vocabulary strong. Keep learning word. If you will have sufficient word with you, you will become fluent and it's very simple. Just watch video and note down the word and start using it. Otherwise your all work will be wasted. So I have made this video by taking some common and important vocabulary which we use daily in our life. With some example, I have demonstrated how we can use these words. So let's start the video. First word is consider. Consider means विचार करना. To think about something. So the first sentence is हमें सभी सबूतों पर विचार करना चाहिए. अब इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन क्या होगा? We must consider all of the evidence. We must consider all of the evidence. Consider मतलब विचार करना. Evidence मतलब सबूतों पर. Next sentence, हमें इस पद के लिए उन पर विचार करना चाहिए. We should consider him for this position. We should consider him for this position. क्या आपने कभी रिटायर होने पर विचार किया है? Have you ever considered retiring? Have you ever considered retiring? Next word is obtain. Obtain मतलब प्राप्त करना, to get something. वह स्नातक अध्ययन के 3 साल के बाद डॉक्टरेट प्राप्त की. डॉक्टरेट मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ डॉक्टर. She obtained her doctorate after 3 years of graduate study. She obtained her doctorate after 3 years of graduate study. उसे पुलिस ने झूठा पासपोर्ट हासिल करने की कोशिश करने के कृत्य में गिरफ्तार किया था. कृत्य मतलब करने के, वो कर रहा था उस चीज को, उसके लिए. He was arrested by police in the act of trying to obtain a false passport. He was arrested by police in the act of trying to obtain a false passport. इन वस्तुओं को प्राप्त करना कठिन है. These items are difficult to obtain. These items are difficult to obtain. Obtain मतलब प्राप्त करना. Next word is conduct. Conduct मतलब संचालन या फिर आचरण करना. To do something or to get to done something. That's the meaning of conduct. हम एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं. We are conducting a survey. We are conducting a survey मतलब सर्वे को हम कर रहे हैं. We are conducting. हम सर्वे का संचालन कर रहे हैं. That's why we have used conducting here. उनका आचरण सराहनीय था. His conduct was admirable. His conduct was admirable. Admirable मतलब सराहनीय था. मुझे अपने आचरण पर शर्म आती है. I am ashamed of my conduct. I am ashamed of my conduct. Ashamed मतलब शर्माना. Next word is apparent. Apparent मतलब स्पष्ट, प्रत्यक्ष. स्पष्ट मतलब बिल्कुल क्लियर. Apparent मतलब क्लियर. बेशक इस ऑडियो में से कोई भी स्पष्ट नहीं है. Of course, none of this is apparent on an audio. Of course मतलब बेशक. कंपनी में ऊपर से नीचे तक बदलाव स्पष्ट है. The changes are apparent from top to bottom at the company. The changes are apparent from top to bottom at the company. उसकी चिंता सभी के लिए स्पष्ट थी. Her anxiety was apparent to everyone. Her anxiety was apparent to everyone. Anxiety मतलब चिंता. Next word is appoint. Appoint means नियुक्त करना. मुझे आपकी सहायता के लिए नियुक्त किया गया है. I have been appointed to help you. I have been appointed to help you. उनके नियुक्त होने की कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. मतलब उनके चुने जाने की कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. There is no hope of his being appointed. There is no hope of his being appointed. No hope means कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. Hope मतलब उम्मीद होता है. No hope मतलब कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. उन्होंने उसे कार्य करने के लिए नियुक्त किया. They appointed her to do the task. They appointed her to do the task. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्पेक्यूलेट। स्पेक्यूलेट मतलब कल्पना करना, सपने देखना, या फिर कुछ ऐसा बोलना जो वास्तव में है नहीं। मैं सिर्फ अटकलें लगा रहा था, मतलब मैं सिर्फ फिजूल की बातें कर रहा था, जबकि वो बातें सही नहीं थी। आई वॉज जस्ट स्पेक्यूलेटिंग। आई वॉज जस्ट स्पेक्यूलेटिंग। मैं बेकार की अटकलों में नहीं उलझता, मैं बेकार की बातों में नहीं उलझता। I don't engage in idle speculation. I don't engage in idle speculation. हत्याओं के पीछे की मंशा का अनुमान लगाने के लिए पुलिस ने मना कर दिया। The police declined to speculate on the motive behind the killings. The police declined to speculate on the motive behind the killing. Decline मतलब मना कर दिया। Next word is render. Render means प्रस्तुत करना या फिर देना। आपने हमें अमूल्य सेवा प्रदान की। You have rendered us invaluable service. You have rendered us invaluable service. Invaluable means अमूल्य। मैं उसकी अशिष्टता से अवाक रह गया। I was rendered speechless by his rudeness. Rudeness means अशिष्टता। Speechless मतलब अवाक रह गया, मतलब कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा था, ऐसा देखा तो। तस्वीर ने ही उसे अवाक कर दिया। The picture itself rendered her speechless. The picture itself rendered her speechless. Okay, so that's the end of the today's session. So I think you have learned something, and one request from you all that please start using these words from now, so that you become familiar with this word, and I'm confident that you will get some fluency after using this word. So thank you, and please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button so that you can get the notification of other videos. Okay, thank you.